Good evening, everybody. It is February the 4th, 2020. It is 5:15. This will be your 5 o'clock earthquake report. Now, guys, be patient with me. I got a mess of them here. Before I get started, there's going to be a link down in the text boxes down at the bottom saying why a 0 or a -0 cannot happen. All right? In depth. Here we go again. There was a 3.9 Timor Island region, Indonesia, at 16.7 miles in depth. USGS said there was a 4.9 Turkey. They have it 11 miles northeast of AKHISAR at 6 miles in depth. US EMSC had it at a 4.9 and downgraded that to a 4.8. Western Turkey, 4 miles north of AKHISAR, Turkey, and they've got it at 5 miles in depth. Alright, there was a 3.0 Haiti, and they've got that at 0 miles in depth. A 3.4 at GNC at 11.1 mile in depth. A 4.2 Puerto Rico, 12 miles south of GUANICA, and they've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Descentia Islands, Greece region at 3.1 mile in depth. A 3.8 Catamarca, CATAMARCA, Argentina at 126.7 miles in depth. Both USGS and EMSC had a 3.1 Northern Alaska. EMSC has got it 157 miles east of KOTZEBUE at 0 miles in depth. USGS has got it as a 3.1 Northern Alaska. They've got it 33 miles south of Kabuk, and they've got it at 0 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 near the coast of central Peru. They've got that at 24.8 miles in depth. Now, USGS and EMSC said there was a 4.2 Puerto Rico. EMSC said it was 10 miles southeast of GUANICA at 7 miles in depth. USGS downgraded their 4.2 to a 4.0. Same location, 10 miles southeast of GUANICA at 7 miles in depth. Links are in the description box. There was a 4.3 Guerrero, Mexico, 34.8 miles in depth. Now, USGS, EMSC say there is a 2.2 Oklahoma, 11 miles east of NNEKAH at 2 miles in depth. It started out as a 2.1. They upgraded it. There was a 3.9 Malaccan Sea at 18.8 miles in depth. There was a 3.1 Saran, Indonesia at 52.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.6 Mindoro, Philippines at 1.2 miles in depth. Here we go again with the negative zeros. USGS said, let's start with EMSC, I'm sorry. EMSC said there was a 2.0 Olympic Peninsula, and they've got that at -0 miles in depth. They've got it 7 miles northeast of Macquarie. All right, USGS said there was a 2.0 Washington. They've got it 7 miles southwest of Shelton at -0 miles in depth. Once again, there's going to be a link telling you why that cannot happen. All right. Next one, there was a 4.4 upgraded to a 4.5 and Antofagasta, Chile. They've got that 4 miles southwest of San Pedro de Atacama at 81 miles in depth. USGS has got it 2 miles northwest of San Pedro and Atacama. All right. There was a 4.2 TURKMENISTAN. Okay. They've got that. USGS has got that 25 miles northeast of BALKANABAT. EMSC started it off with a 3.6, upgraded it to a 4.2, downgraded that to a 4.0. Alright, all links will be in the description box. They both have it at 6 miles in depth. Wow, and as you can hear, it's going crazy. But you know what? I'm going to ignore all those. I got to fix dinner for my husband and myself. 2 thumbs up for you. God bless each and every one of you. I'll get to those as soon as I can. You have yourself a great day. God bless everybody. Sending much love.